guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I wanted to show another way to put together the Cozy Mug Bunny add-on die set. So in this die set, you get all these pieces here to create a cute little bunny that could be popping out of a coffee cup. You could do the little butt popping out of the coffee cup, or today I'm going to show you how to put the bunny together as a standalone bunny. Where you don't need another die, where you can use this die on its own. So you can also see that you can cut away, you can snip away the eyes, the mouth, and the teeth from this bunny head, and that way you can kind of make different looks to your bunny. This one here, I just left it as is. I did snip away the teeth and then added the teeth back in. But I'll show you another look you can do. And then this is the Cozy Mug die, which is like a winter themed die. But with this add-on, you can use it for spring. So here's one example. This is the little bunny butt sticking out, like jumping into the cup. And the beautiful butterfly paper in the background is from the Simply Spring paper pad. And then this one, he's popping up from the cup. I used the tea bag from the add-on set and the little hoppy sentiment that's in the add-on set as well. All of the papers from this card are from the Spring Coffee paper pad. So today we are using the Spring Coffee paper pad. I have some parts cut out and I'm going to put together our cute little bunny. So for this one, I have the head cut out as a solid piece. I'm going to get my little picker-upper. So there's a little wax piece at the end so I could pick up my parts. And what I did for the mouth was I cut the mouth away and I just have the nose left. So I wanted to do a more sweeter look with my bunny. And we have the body. So we could do it this way or this way. Here, let's work on this. We have our little feet. And I like the bunny body to go this way. I want him to be a little bit shorter, a little bit chubbier. And then there's a little bow in the set, which is gonna separate the two. So let's go ahead, add a little bit of glue to the back here. And then our little bow. You can pop this bow up or just glue it straight down. Today, I think I'm just going to glue it straight down. And then we've got our two little feet. You can kind of decide how you want to lay those feet out. There are some little paw marks. So when cutting out, you can save the negative and use it as a template if you wanted to help you put those back on. Or you could just eyeball it. So let's just add a dot of glue. And then I'm just going to add 3 little dots of glue. Okay, we got our cute little feet on. The inside of the bunny's ears, I just cut those out in pink. We can play around with his face. We've got little paws, and for his little paws, I'm going to pop his little paws up And they're just gonna go like that. We have a little tail that we can put back there. Okay, so let's see how we want to have his little face. That's pretty cute up there. And then I'm going to add some cheeks. Oh, I should have put the glue on the paper. That would have been easier. Okay, so there's his cute little face. We're gonna put some blush on his cheeks. You do get these little sponge daubers in the coffee bundle, so I'm just gonna use this. Add a little bit of ink. And what you'll wanna do, actually I have this one that I used with the pink that I didn't really wash off. So I'm going to use the Distress Oxide Worn Lipstick, and I'm going to put on some of the ink and I'm going to dab it off. Let's see, I could go ahead and color in my little tea bag to kind of dab off the ink. So I just dabbing that on, and then I can use whatever's left here and kind of like pounce on his blush. And I'm just going to build up that color. So cute! Now I'm going to take my white Jelly Roll pen and add some details. I want to make a little shine mark on his nose. And then put in some little pupils of him looking to the side. And then some little freckles. And then on his little bow, these little details just help bring your little image to life. There we go. Isn't he adorable? So we have the cozy mug here, and I'm just going to add some glue to the ends here so we can put our handle together. There's an adorable spoon in the cozy mug die set. I love cutting it out in a gold or a silver. I'm just going to dab the whatever's left on my brush on this part of the tea bag so it's just not white. And that's just going to hang in, and the little string is going to hang out the side here like that. We'll have the spoon in there. There's a cute little sentiment that says happy with a little bunny face that you could put over the O like I did here. So we're going to cut that out, see if we can fit that on the card. And I cut this out twice. I'm going to double it up, make it like a nice chipboard. See, and that just fits right over the O. Isn't that cute? So we'll see if we can fit that on the card. All right, so I cut this panel for the bottom because I didn't want it to be too busy on the bottom because I want you to be able to see the bunny and all that. So let's see how this is gonna go. I'm going to add a peel off strip right here. Let's go ahead and add our circle. I just thought of something really cute. I could have the bunny holding the spoon. So what I'm going to do is pop off this paw and flip it over. So it looks like he's holding it. Like that. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I love that idea. All right, so that's going to be super adorable. Let's go ahead and glue down our mug. I'm not going to press really hard because I want this to be tucked in, but I want my sentiment to be right about there. So I want to make sure I'm not covering my sentiment up. So we'll have to stick that down right there. Okay, this card is turning out so cute. Now I'm going to put a little pop dot under this so it pops up a little bit. Same with the spoon. So we'll put some pop dots back here. And then add a little glue to the handle. All right, before I add him, I want to stamp the sentiment. Okay, so for the bunny, I added foam tape to the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a great spot for him. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let me get my enamel dots. I'm going to use the green to bring out that green in the background there. Okay, we'll do 3 little enamel dots. Oh my goodness, so adorable. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Head on over to the blog to enter into the giveaway for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. Good luck, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.